Good morning, students. Today you have to discuss more about that binomial expression. That you know from the binomial expression as the formula is a plus b to the power n. Whenever you are writing these things, that is equal to a to the power n plus n into a to the power n minus 1 into b plus n into n minus 1 upon 1 into 2 a to the power n minus 2 into b to the power 2, and in this manner we can get it up to b to the power n. It will be the last term. And you know that if n is the integer, n may be the negative integer, positive integer. If in place of the n may be the fractional number also. Now similarly, just if you want to find out the expression of 1 plus x to the power minus 1. What will be the 1 plus x to the power minus 1? Same formula. Just look at the formula and just tally it. That is a to the power n means 1 to the power n. The power of 1 equal to 1. The 1 plus n into, in place of n we have written the minus 1 because here is minus 1. Minus 1 a to the power n minus 1. That is 1 to the power 1 minus 1. 1 to the power n minus 1, that is also 1. Because the first term is the 1, the power of 1 is always 1. So it is 1 into b. b means that is the x, that is x to the power 1. And in same manner, plus n into n minus 1, minus 1 into minus 2. Because n is the minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 upon 1 into 2, that is equal to x square. Plus minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 upon 1 into 2 into 3 into x cube. Plus dot dot dot. And if you just do it here, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. In this manner, you will be getting the expression. And the expression is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. In the same manner also, if you take it here, 1 minus x to the power minus 1. 1 minus x to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 plus minus x to the power minus 1. This is equal to 1 plus n. In place of n it is a minus 1. In place of a it is written 1. Because first term is 1, always the power of 1 is always 1. Minus 1 into minus x to the power 1. Plus minus 1 minus 2 upon 1 into 2 into first term is 1 and second term equal to minus x to the power 2. And in this manner it continues. And you are finding 1 plus x square plus x cube plus in this manner you are getting it. And the important thing is that whenever you are using, because sometimes you will be finding this binomial expression, find the values of some quantities by help of this binomial expression in physics. Suppose if the quantity is x plus a to the power n, x plus a to the power n, in this manner, it can be if x is taken common. If x is taken common, if that is x to the power n will be coming out of the bracket. So x to the power n is coming out of the bracket. And here inside you are finding 1 plus a by x. I think you must be understanding I am dividing the x here. If I am dividing the x, that x equal to x upon x equal to 1 plus, that is a by x whole to the power n. That is x to the power n is taken out of the bracket and remaining is the 1 plus a by x. If x is very greater than a, numerator and denominator part, if denominator part is very greater than the numerator part, you have to arrange in this manner. If x is very greater than a, you have to arrange in this manner. If a is greater than a, we have to arrange in this manner. So in this case what happens, because if a is greater than, here in this case is the x is less than, very less than a, means a is bigger one. If a is bigger one, we have to divide it a, divide and multiply with a, again it is coming out a to the power n. I think you must be understanding x plus a to the power n. If I am finding a is greater than, a is very greater than x in this term, so I have to divide a. So how I am dividing it, just look at here. X plus a by a and multiplied with a and whole bracketed n. So what will be the term? That is x by a. This is the x by a plus 1 into a whole bracketed n to the power n. So you are finding that is a to the power n is coming out. A to the power n is coming out. The remaining term equal to 1 plus x by a to the power n. So why you are doing these things? If the quantity which is bigger than that you are dividing by that quantities. Because here in this case x is greater than a, so that we are dividing x in this manner. Because the denominator part, if it will be the bigger one, and the numerator part is a very smaller one, the power of this quantity will be very less, and that can be neglected, and this concept is used in physics. So for example, I can do it that is 10002 to the power 1 by 4. The power is 1 over 4 up to 3 places. Evaluate. 100, 1 lakh 2 to the power 1 by 4 up to 3 places. 1 by 4. So no doubt easily it will be difficult for you. To calculate, you have to use immediately the binomial expression. That is 10002 to the power 1 by 4. This is equal to, that is equal to, you are writing it here. 10,002, 10,002, this is the 10,000 plus 2 to the power 1 by 4. So you are finding this quantity is bigger than this one. So 10,000 I am taking it out. If 10,000 is taking it out, so 10,000 to the power 1 by 4 will be coming out, because power inside the bracket you are taking it out. So 10,000 to the power 1 by 4 whole bracketed. Here part is the 1 plus 2 upon 10,000. I think you must be understanding. I am arranging in this manner because 10,000 plus 2, 10,000 plus 2. So 10,000 to the power 1 by 4 is taken out. The inside part is just 1 plus 2 upon 10,000. In this manner you have to arrange it. That is 1 by 4. So in this case what happens? 10,000 to the power 4, that is equal to 10, and inside part, this part it look it here, 1 a to the power n, that is a 1 plus 1 over 4 n into a to the power n minus 1, because in place of a it is reading only 1. So whatever the power of 1 is 1. So 1 by 4 into 1 into b 2 by 4, 2 by 10, 2 by 10,000, that is 2 by 10,000 equal to 0.0002, that is the in place of the b, plus n is 1 by 4, n minus 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 1 into 2, and 0.0002 square. And in this manner we will be finding 0.0002 cube, 0.0002 to the power 4. In this manner we will be getting the higher terms. But we have to restrict, particularly in physics, we have to restrict it here only. 10, 1 plus, if you divide this by 4, that is equal to 0.405. You close it here, and all these terms are neglected. Ye sare term neglect ho jata hai. That is all the terms will be neglected. Because of higher power of 0.0002 square, 0.0002 to the power 3, like that manner the terms you will be finding, that will be neglected, and finally you are finding 10 into 1 plus 0.405, that is equal to 10 into 1.405, and you are finding that if you multiply it here 10.0005, if this 5 will be rounding off, again you are finding 10.001. All the steps you should just remember it, and I make it 5 rounded off, and you are finding 10.003. So already I have calculated this value up to the 3 decimal places, 3 places. Up to 3 places I have calculated by using the binomial expression. Actually it requires some practice. I am sending you that 4 to 5 questions, and in this manner, by applying the binomial expression, just you calculate it and give response also. Thank you.